I'll give you 10 days when you're through with plan.
No, I need 80 more days.
I do this because I care about you. I do this to motivate you. But I will fuck that girl in 10 days, I promise.
Dude, I'm not cute like you. I don't look like Jackson Brown, I look like Jon Favreau.
Yeah. Don't make me do this. Don't make me fuck her.
You could just, like, not fuck her?
Don't put me in the corner where I have to fuck my way out.
Oh, he'll do it. He'll do it too. I seen him do it.
Well, I'm gonna go warm her up. Okay? See you out there.
Okay, I know he's a dick, but he will fuck that chick.
Really? For real?
Yes.
Okay.